Alright, so finally getting around to making a video about these 8-bladed props from HQ. I got the one with the 5mm shaft on the 3-inch Civitar, and I have the ones with the T-style mounting, the 2.5-inch on the Civitar 2.5. And you can go back and look at my videos. I'll link them in the description if you want to know what these sound like. They're in the other videos. I think they both had the 5-bladed gem fan versions on each of these, the 3-inch and the 2.5-inch. And so yeah, they're different sound here. Obviously, I've stripped down the Civitar here. It's all the prop guards, everything are gone. It's just basically a naked setup here. So it's going to sound way different. It's super windy right now. I'm going to try and see if this camera, I'm going to actually capture it on this one here, the Insta360 it's got 4 mics. I'm gonna like fly around it, so it's kind of away from me, because I think my other microphones don't seem to capture the prop sounds all that well, because you guys seem to think that things are either louder or quieter than they really are. And of course, you know, things don't really come out that well in video, but at least you'll have an idea of what these sound like, and you can go back and look at the other videos and compare what they sound like as well. Now also keep in mind, I took the on this one as well, they've taken the little foam pieces off too, so they're going to sound totally different, but I'm not going to test every single configuration, you know. I just don't have time for all that, so you're going to just have to hear what they sound like on these two here. I'm going to fly this one here first, and then I'll fly this one. Alright, so that's pretty loud. We'll fly a little bit away from here and just get a feel. They definitely feel like they're more grippy, but less responsive. Kind of hard to explain. I feel like there's a little bit of a lag in my stick movements. Just a tiny, it's not huge, but just a tiny bit. It's way loud though. I'm not sure if it's louder or less loud than the 5-bladed, but it sounds still pretty loud, even with the foam pieces off. I have a feeling that these are also going to be less efficient because there's more blades and it's going to be eating up more power. I really feel like it's a little bit more locked in. Yeah, definitely feels a little more locked in. It's super windy right now, so seems like I can't find a day where it's not like the weather is bad these days. I think, yeah, it's sunny, but every day it's really windy like this. But it seems to fly pretty good. Let's see what the 3-inch sounds like. With the prop guards, the ducts removed, now that this is naked, it definitely sounds quieter than before. Not as noisy as a 2.5 inch, so that's kind of to be expected. I don't think the prop is spinning nearly as fast. Let's see how good the microphones on this 1X2 picks up the sound. Definitely feels more locked in than before. A lot of prop watch there. Super windy. So yeah, not quite freestyle territory yet. I might need the pit tune to be adjusted. Yeah, more blades definitely helps, but I don't know how much quieter it is. It's still pretty noisy. Just the sound pitch is a little bit different. Yeah, the wind is not a good thing right now, though. Doesn't get pushed around as much in this wind compared to when I had the prop guards on. It almost feels like it's rugged to 3 inch. Alright, let me know what you guys think.